Let's see what's happening outside today. It's snowing! That's perfect! You know what? I've been wanting to try skiing, and I have the perfect outfit from SHEIN that I have been waiting to wear. Okay, so when it's cold, I like to layer my clothes so I can add or remove items if the temperature gets warmer or colder. This first layer is what I like to call the base layer. It's like your foundation. This goes directly against your skin, so you want something that's smooth and made of comfortable material so it won't irritate you. I found this sports underwear on SHEIN that's designed to keep you warm, and it does exactly that. It's made using an innovative technology called seamless knitting. Traditional garment manufacturing involves multiple steps: cutting fabric pieces, sewing seams together, and finishing the edges. Each step requires different machines, different skills, and it creates production waste like fabric scraps. But seamless knitting technology changes everything. This method starts with a single strand of yarn and creates a complete garment in one continuous process. No cutting, no sewing, and no fabric scraps left behind. The result? This base layer has 0 seams where they would normally irritate your skin. You'll see brands like Glow Mode using this technique a lot for underwear and activewear. Plus, look at these areas. This 3D wave pattern doesn't just look pretty. It is engineered for breathability, and it helps regulate your body temperature. So you'll be able to keep cool when you exercise, but stay warm when the temperature drops. And because seamless knit technology is more resource efficient compared to traditional methods of production, SHEIN can offer this piece using this technology at an affordable price. Layer 2, the insulation layer. I have 2 options here: a viscose pullover and a seamless wool sweater from Motif. Both tell fascinating stories about material innovation. This pullover is made with forest-safe viscose, and the story behind this material is incredible. The viscose production process starts off with wood pulp from trees and turns it into incredibly soft, breathable fibers that feel amazing against your skin while providing excellent insulation properties. Through partnership with the Canopy Style Initiative, SHEIN has been working to source more of its viscose from producers with green shirt ratings, significantly reducing impact on ancient and endangered forests. Now, this wool sweater uses the same seamless knitting technology as the base layer, but with wool blend fibers. Without seams interrupting the weave of the fabric, it sits closer to your body, trapping warm air more effectively. Both options create that perfect microclimate next to your skin. The viscose allows for breathable warmth, while the seamless wool sweater supports maximum heat retention. It's like having a personal heating system that adjusts to your activity level. Layer 3, the protection layer. Before pieces like this are made, SHEIN works with third-party testing agencies at the product development stage to test the materials used for outerwear garments for things like wind resistance, how durable the fabric is, and how well it repels water. It includes having garments undergo additional wind and rain tests to see if they hold up under real-world conditions, and whether they match the results in laboratory tests. These kinds of checks help teams understand how different fabrics perform and decide which materials are suitable for different designs. So, when you're on the mountain and weather conditions change, you know this outer layer will perform. From seamless base layers to viscose mid layers to outer layers developed through material testing and design checks, this is how SHEIN brings winter sports styles to a wider audience. Ready to make your mark on the mountain?